All right, we are starting off our day 6. We have just we're still in Nevada, but we just entered the Pacific time zone. So we're now just gained a whole hour of our lives. It's gonna bike coming home. Getting off this freeway soon and getting on 993 or US 93 and heading through those mountains and hills. So that'd be nice. There's a lot of snow still. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, he's jumping, huh? Whee! This is the Idaho Plains. Some mountains way over there, mountains over there. It is 82 degrees. We're cooking right along because we go fast out here. What else are you going to do? The only thing with the Pan American I've noticed is that when you're going this fast, this thing drinks like a thirsty pig. Especially when it's carrying all the gear. It really, you got to watch your miles per gallon out here. The range really blows when you're going this fast. Welcome to Boise, Idaho, home of the potatoes, I guess? I don't know. Welcome to Oregon. Right, 3,000 miles into the trip, and we're somewhere in Oregon, around Twisty area here, Perry. Yeah. Ah, look at that. Oh, you poor bastards. It's like I'm taking the whole road, so have fun, guys. Ooh. Big dam. Good morning, folks. Just started day 7. Current odometer is 8773. We should be in Canada today. 2,300 miles or 2,400 miles to go to. Well, it was 23, now it's 24. Interesting. 2 different routes. America. Town of Soap Lake. That's the lake. I don't see any soap though. Not sure why it's called Soap Lake, but these are the mysteries. None of this will come out on the camera because it'll flatten it out too much, but this was a neat place. I guess the Grand Coulee Dam is 60 miles up the road there. Yeah. Sometimes things just surprise you how beautiful they are. It's just natural wonders. How cool is this? Columbia River. Damn. Yeah, boy. Welcome to Canada. Stop. Alright. Alright, we are officially in Canada. British Columbia. 80 kilometers an hour. Alright. Think metric. Alright, thank you for that. What's the name of this town? It's like Turnawawa.
As you can see, days 6 and 7 were really just a lot of miles. We put in probably 1,200 miles in 2 days, probably a little more than that. But it was really cool. Getting into Canada was just fantastic. We really enjoyed our time here. I just want to say thank you for watching this journey. I hope you're enjoying it. If you would, hit that like button and please think about subscribing. Thank you, and we'll talk to you again later. Bye.